This is the camera system that a lot of us have been waiting for. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, and this is the creator combo here. So I'm going to unbox it, show you everything that comes inside, and a little bit of my first impressions of what you can expect from the Osmo Pocket 4P. Okay, so we're one step closer. Let's get into this. Okay, so we get a little carrying case by the looks of it, and the larger carrying case here. We get some stickers and some information as always, and that's all that's left in the box. So, this is going to be the main piece. Let's have a look at this case first. This is just a little, I would imagine, portable carrying case if maybe you just want the camera system, maybe a few other accessories in there. It's got a little compartment. That's actually quite nice. I would imagine you can't fit everything in there, that's why they've given you a smaller bag. It just says Osmo on the front, but that's nice. Then we've got the main piece right here. So this is where everything else is going to be housed. Just says Osmo on the front, pretty clean, simple bag. Now, we have to see the camera straight away. That's why we're all here, right? We're all here for the camera. Let's get this out. Ooh la la. So we'll take this off. Beautiful. Take the covers off. Ooh, there it is, there it is, there it is. So, it says Pocket 4P on the side. We can see we've got the 1-inch sensor here, and then we've got the 3x system here. When we power it on, it's just going to take us straight to this section here. Alright, here we go. So this is the quick start guide. It just tells you some information. We'll just skip through all of this. Perfect. Here we go. So this is the camera right here. That's when it goes into 3x. So we'll just look up at this camera here, my webcam. Whoa, there we go. So that's the 3x zoom right there. And if we have a look, we can see a few things here. Now that's really nice. Really, really nice. That's the camera there, or the dual camera system, should I say. Can look directly up. It's got a really nice range of motion actually. And when it powers down, just locks into place like that. There we go. Now let's keep going. Let's see what else we've got in here, because I know this is quite a stacked unboxing. There's a lot of accessories and things to look at here. I want to make sure we get a chance. So this is the little handle, just the standard handle. It's got a 1/4-inch screw on the base, and then the USB-C on the back there. There is a USB-C on the base here, but what this allows is for you to connect it up and then have the USB-C on the back like that. We've got a microphone by the looks of it. Just checking. Oh yeah, it's all good. There we go, so a nice microphone. Very nice. I'll just lay it all out so hopefully you get a good sense of everything that comes in here. This is going to be, I'd imagine, the magnets. Yep, magnetic clip. Boom, straight to the back. And sorry, so that's the clip. and that's the like magnetic puck, I guess you'd call it. Remove that. So we get, oh, we get that as well. Oh, that is a strong magnet. This is the fill light, I would imagine. Here it is. Really like the fill light design, so it actually connects on magnetically like so, and then when I power it on, it powers on the system like that. So if I turn it around to look up at us, or maybe we'll do the double tap, triple tap, there we go. Perfect. So that's it there. You can see that fill light has a little bit of motion. You can extend it out a little bit, but then you can also angle it up and down. There's buttons on top, so you can change the temperature of it and the intensity of the light as well. It's a really nice system. I'm just going to leave the camera like that, just so it stays powered on, because I haven't got it properly set up. Alright, this is going to be some sort of filter by the looks of things. Oh, yep. So it's a camera filter. If I can get it in so you can read it. But it just says 15mm, and then on this side it says 0.75 times. So you get a nice filter in there as well. Very nice. In here, this was something I read on the back of the package, but this is really cool. So this is what they call the frame tap. So what this will allow us to do, by the looks of it, I don't know if I need to get this all set up properly, to be honest with you. Might not be able to get it set up for the video right now, but this basically is a remote control, so it allows you to control the gimbal, press record, change some of the settings through this little remote control. So that's a really smart design there that you get. I'm just going to angle that so we can see it. Alright, so that's a nice addition that I was not expecting to see here. Then we've got a little tripod thing, maybe. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've got the tripod, which we actually need right now for this little setup here. So that just screws into the base. And then you've got your little tripod legs that come out. That's really nice as well. Making a little bit of space for everything, so you can hopefully again get a sense of what we're getting with this system. I'm just gonna move this so you can see, and so with the magnetic light you can see that straight when it magnetically connects, it powers on as long as the camera's powered on, and then when you pull it off it disconnects. It's just got these little pins here that connect to the back of the system, so very smart design. Really like that. We'll just angle the camera up so you can maybe get a little bit of a sense of the whole kit. Okay, then we've got some wind screens. So two colors, the grey and black and the straight black. Just clips onto the mic system like so. Then we've got a windscreen. Also got that magnetic clip on the back as well. Alright, we're getting through it. I think we're getting a bit closer now to the end of all these accessories, but it's very exciting stuff. There's a lot of accessories in here. Alright, then we've got a little wrist strap. Two wrist straps by the looks of it. There we go. So we've got two wrist straps right there. Then we have the microphone charging cable. So it's like a little cradle. The mic just sits in the cradle like so. Again, just the pin system connects up. So that's that. Oh, knocked the camera. What else have we got? Still going, are we? Nearly getting to the end of it. So there's little sections within here. There we go. Alright. So we've now got some cables by the looks of it. So this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. That would be a charging cable. And then this here, which is another charging cable. Just says Osmo. Now I don't know, is this for this? No. How does this work? I don't know. And then there's this cable as well, which I'm just having a look on the box. Transmitter cable? I don't know. I don't know what this one's for. It might be for this or it might not. Anyway, there's another charging cable as well. So that's the kit. It really does come with a lot. This is obviously the camera system here. Need to make sure that I've updated everything. Looks quite similar to what we've seen in the past in terms of the user interface. The big one is obviously the cameras here, and especially that 3 times. Ooh, look how crispy it is. There I am. Beautiful shot of me there. Love it. Hello. So look at that. That is super crispy, that 3 times. And this is the creator kit. So this is everything you get with the Osmo Pocket 4P in that creator bundle, or they call it the creator combo. Super packed with like all sorts of cool accessories and different things to use here. I cannot wait to see what else this little camera system can do. Very cool.